Hey everybody, I'm new to gardening and I just thought I would build a watermelon trellis and I didn't build your typical one, but this is the idea I had. Let me show you what I did. You can turn it any way you want to. That's the beauty about it.
I went to Home Depot and bought 7 of these 3/4 inch PVC pipes and cut them in half so I could stick them in my car. I wound up having to go back for an 8th one for the legs. I thought 7 would be enough for the legs, but they were too short. But you need 4 of these corner pieces. There's the other 2 down there. And then you need a 1 T for the middle, and then 1 X for the middle, and 4 of these T's. And then you need 5 of these caps. And this, don't buy this 2-sided tape. I made a mistake here, and you'll see why a little bit later on. This is my dog Lou, my best friend. I got her from the Humane Society. And you'll also need this. It's a plastic fencing stuff that construction workers use to put around their construction sites so nobody crosses through. It's made out of plastic. I figure it'd be good for mesh netting for the hold the watermelons. And then this is how I put it all together. You can also get that fence, that plastic fence at Home Depot. Everything I got at Home Depot. Then I'm gonna lay out my legs here. You can cut your legs off to any size you need. I'm on a slope, so I'm just gonna cut them all the same size for now, and then cut them adequately whenever I get it down there. And here I'm putting on the 2-sided, actually not 2-sided tape, but what do you call it? Velcro. I thought that would be good. All 4 corners are stuck in the corner pieces that I bought, but I couldn't find any that would work for the rest of them. So I thought I'd use Velcro, but you'll see why in a minute here. It doesn't hold up. But I had to go to Plan B and run back to the store at Home Depot, and you'll see why in a second. Now I'm going to apply the plastic construction fence. And if you notice, this construction fence is comes in a 50 feet long by 4 feet wide. I had to cut a foot off of each end because this square you see here of my PVC pipe is 10 by 10 feet. So I had to make it 10 by 8 feet. That's no problem. It disconnects and reconnects very quickly. So that's what I did. And that's the good thing about it. When the season's over with, you can just disconnect this, put it in your shed, and bring it out the next year. There's no unscrewing involved. It just pops on and off. And right about here, I'm starting to figure out that, oh, these legs aren't going to stay like this. I got to figure something else out. See how flimsy it is? So I had to run back to Home Depot and get some self-tapping screws. And I decided to pop it loose on each T and take the caps, peel off the Velcro, and then screw them on, as you see here. The trick is to be don't when you use your when you screw the screw in, as soon as it bottoms out, stop, or you'll probably waller out the hole and it won't hold. And here we go. And here's the finished product. I know it's not the prettiest thing, but you could make it any way you want using these items. You can make a pyramid or whatever. And I want to thank you for watching the video, and I hope this helps somebody out. And I like it.